Probably when we think of video conferencing, the first option that comes to our mind is Zoom. But is this the only alternative to take classes or trainings online? Webex Meetings. Webex is an application that has been on the market for more than 20 years. Its focus has been primarily the business world, but it has increasingly expanded its service to the general public. Thanks to its free video conferencing option, you don't need to download a program or have a Webex account to access a meeting. With this version, Webex allows you to have video conferences of up to 50 minutes in length with groups of up to 100 participants. In addition to that, it has tools that are already familiar in video conferencing platforms such as share screen, different backgrounds, waiting rooms, unlimited messages, among others. Jitsi Meet. Jitsi Meet is one of the alternatives different from Zoom, with a very simple operation, which can make a difference compared to the others. Because of the open source it has, all you need to do is browse into the Jitsi Meet website, type in the meeting name, log in, and you're done. This web version offers many of the features that other free applications have, such as screen sharing, HD video and audio, among others. With Jitsi Meet, the user can also make a recording of the meeting, as well as broadcast the conference online. Toki. Toki is one of the newer alternatives on the market. It is also one of the easiest options to use compared to the options we have mentioned in this post, and it can be useful at certain times. It offers the possibility of making video calls with a limit of 6 users, without the need to register in the application. Like Jitsi Meet, you only need to name the session and enter to the room. Another functionality that it has is that users will be able to play Lander while they wait for the other participants of the call to connect.